Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Bank rules help automatically categorize imported bank account transactions. To manage rules in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Banking link in the navigation bar. Then click the Bank Rules link at the top of the page that opens to the right to view the Rules page. You can also open this page from the Banking page by clicking the File Upload drop-down button in the upper right corner of the page and then selecting the Manage Rules command. Note that QuickBooks only applies one rule per transaction and that you prioritize the rules. Rules can be arranged by clicking and dragging the handle that appears at the far left end of any rule up or down in the list of rules, and then releasing it when the rule is in the desired position in the list. To create a new rule, click the New Rule button in the upper right corner of the page to open a rule page. Type a name for the rule into the Rule Name field. To choose whether this rule applies to money coming in or going out of the company, use the For drop-down. To choose to which bank accounts the rule applies, use the In drop-down to check the checkboxes next to the names of the accounts to which this rule applies. Then decide if the rule is applied when a transaction meets any or all of the criteria you set. If it must match all of the criteria, choose All from the When a transaction meets blank of these conditions drop-down. If it is applied if the transaction matches any of the criteria, select Any from this same drop-down instead. Then use the next three drop-downs to select a field, select a comparison operator, and then type the value used for the comparison. To add more criteria, click the Add Line button. You can repeat this step to add as many criteria as needed for the rule. After a transaction matches any or all of the criteria you set, you then need to choose what to do to the transaction in the Set One or More of the Following section. Use any or all of the transaction type, payee, category, class if enabled, split, location, memo, and automatically add to my books options to choose what to do to the matching transaction. When you are finished, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the rule window to save it. In the Rules page, you can click the Edit link under the Action column for a Rules row to reopen the rule page to edit it and then save your changes. To delete a rule, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Rules row and then click the Delete link to confirm you want to delete the rule. To copy a rule to use as the basis for another rule, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Rules row, and then click the Copy link. Then edit the copy of the rule within the rule window that opens, and save your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.